Gold and silver both have taken a sharp dip yesterday, achieving higher highs. So, what to expect today? Can we expect them to bounce back or is it going to crash again? Which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. Also, the next update on gold will be released before the US cash session, so do watch that also. Now, on the hourly charts, look at gold's movement. See, higher highs are done 1810, and since then it has crashed heavily. It, in fact, has achieved 1765 levels. Now, see these three candles getting the support here at 1765, multiple candles, and then it is retraced. Now, just have a look at the performance on the hourly charts. You can find out that only and only when gold trades below 1765, yes, you can expect that it is going to drop again today, and we can expect another round of good drop which might take it till towards 1755, 1750 and 1740 levels. These are going to be the important support levels. So only and only if gold trades below 1765 you can sell, and then you can expect it to drop again. At the same time, see on the hourly charts, till the time it trades in this channel, possibly it may achieve 1770 again and can bounce back. There is a probability which exists. On the upside again, 1784 levels, 1785 levels are going to be important resistance zone. If it trades above the, see, this was the previous consolidation zone. If it trades above 1785, certainly more bullishness can be expected. Now, see, previously we saw 1800 levels giving it a very strong resistance. It tried to swing across this, achieved the highs also, then seen a good drop. So it means there is a strong resistance which exists at 1800, 1808 levels, and which it is trying to refrain to trade above those levels. Now I'll wait for it to again pass by those levels. If you see it trading above 1800 again any point of time in this week, you can stay long. Now look at the directional movement. This is bearish here. It is trying to converge. The stochastic is at highs, and that is why we can see one red candle on the hourly charts. Look at MACD. This is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. And the RSI, which was oversold, now has come out of the oversold zone. So this is one part of it on the hourly charts. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, similar is the observation on the 2-hour charts, as it has taken a support here, and since then it is risen. But then again, see the double top there, and possibly once it trades above this zone, you can expect that the bullishness is trying to pull, the bulls are trying to pull it on the upside, and how far it can stretch. Certainly above 1785 levels, you can expect that more bullish momentum can be seen. Till the time, we have to be extra cautious. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic was trading oversold, now looking upwards here, and the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is also trading at the bottom here on the 2-hour charts. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, now see this is symmetrical. There is a probability that this candle, the movement till here on the symmetrical side, can be achieved today, possibly. This means that till the time it trades above 1765, there is a probability that it may continue to rise, and 1780-85 levels can be seen before it. Even if it is bearish, it can try to achieve those levels before it looks forward to a drop. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is trading oversold on the 3-hour charts, and the MACD is divergent and bearish. The RSI is trading at bottom. If you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts, you can find higher lows are seen, at the same time lower highs. I'll wait for it to breach past this zone, which is at around 1780. Yes, if it trades above 1780, then 84-85, and then 91. Beyond that, certainly more bullishness is seen. At the same time, look at this higher lows. Once it drops below 1765, you can sell again and expect 1760, which is a major support, and below that you can expect that it may try to attempt and achieve 1750 and 1740 levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic trading oversold on the 4-hour charts. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and it has achieved the highs, and probably it may try to converge from here. RSI trading comfortable. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See on the daily charts, let me draw something for you. So till the time it trades above 1760, certainly you can expect that this is trading in this bullish channel and can probably bounce back, and hence only below 1760 we can confirm that we are looking forward to 1740, which is a very strong support zone, and if it trades below 1740 the bears will kick in and probably we may see strong bearish momentum on the downside, which might take it till towards 1710 and below levels. Now if you look closely on the 4-hour charts, you will observe that it is still trying to trade in this zone, and this time it failed to achieve the high, so there is a pullback which we are seeing right now, and probably below 1765 today, probably we can see a little more bearish momentum which might take it till towards 1760, very strong support, and 1750 40 levels. So this is one part to look at it. At the same time, now let's have a look at the, see, I told you one thing yesterday, that it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, multiple candles, and see the power of Bollinger Bands. It has got a pullback, a strong pullback on the downside. Directional movement is moderately bullish here. The stochastic is looking downwards as with a sharp drop. This was another observation, that it was trading at the extreme highs, and this has taken a good drop there. The MACD has again crossed over for a sell, and the RSI is comfortable. Considering this, only sell entry today is below 1765 levels. If you see gold trading below 1765 today, you can stay short for 1760. This is the maximum support, strongest support, and below that 1740. Remember, we have almost every time focused on these two levels, 1740 and 1760 zone. These two are very strong support zone for gold. Breaking below 1740, you can consider that we are looking forward to a crash out there till towards 1720, 1700 and below levels. And the second aspect is, yes, if you see any point of time it trading above 1800, yes, you can expect more bullish. But for the day, you can buy at 1780 itself and then expect 1784-85, giving it a very strong resistance there on the upside. Beyond 1784-85, the probability will be high that it can try to achieve 1800 levels, and beyond that are also possible. So beyond 1784-85, we can expect that probably it may try to cross or breach 1800 levels at least once before it looks over to, even if it is bearish, it can try to attempt and achieve those levels, and beyond 1800 certainly more bullishness can be seen. So for the day, in between 1765 and 1780, do not try to take any position. This is all for gold today. Let's have a look at silver. Likewise, silver on the hourly charts, taking the support at 2220, has seen a reversal there, but at the same time failing to go past 2260. Now 2260 is a very strong resistance zone for silver there. Yes, if it trades about 2260, we can expect 2280, 2300. 2300 is the next strongest resistance on the upside. So I'll wait for it to breach past 2260 levels for it to sustain the bullish momentum. At the same time, only bearishness is below 2220 levels. Directional movement is on the verge of a bullish cross. Stochastic, which is overbought here on the hourly charts, now looking downwards, and we can see one red candle here. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI has come out of the oversold zone with this little rise. Look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts also, you can find out it is trying to trade in this channel. Any breach above 2260 should be a good confirmation for you to stay long in silver, expecting $22.80, $23 levels, and beyond that a good rise. Now if you look at the 2-hour charts also, you will find that after long it has given such a strong bearish breakout, and then 2200 is a maximum support on the downside. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is trading oversold and now looking upwards. It may come back to overbought zone again. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge here on the 2-hour charts. The RSI is trading near to the bottom there, yet not oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. See, almost the symmetry is done, and it is getting a resistance here, and hence once you see it trading above this zone, the next candle probably we may see a little more rise. So this zone is the consolidation zone previous. Probably this may try to breach this one, that is 2260 levels, and expect it to rise more till 2280 if you see it trading about 2260 levels. At the same time, on the downside, only sell position is below is 2220 levels. Below 2220, you can expect another round of good drop. So now what to do for these 40 cents? Let's find out. Directional movement is taking for a bullish cross. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trading at bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, it is created a bottom here. See, this was the previous bottom, and then the rally has resumed. Probably if this time it continues to rally, it can give you very strong bullish momentum from here. The directional movement taking a bullish cross, stochastic oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish, so probably it may try to, the divergence is done. Probably from here the convergence can be expected, and hence we can see a little more bullishness probably. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see higher lows, and yes, if you see it trading below 22.20 today, certainly you can expect another round of good drop, which might take it for $22, 21.80, 21.70. 21.70 here is very good support today, and if it breaches 21.70, you can expect 21.50 levels, which is going to be another good support. Directional movement so far is bullish on the daily charts. It is trying to converge. It has seen the convergence here. The stochastic, which was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is comfortable. So on the daily chart, it appears once it breaks below 22.20, we may see another round of good drop, taking it for $22, 21.80, 21.60, 21.50. Now this zone at 21.50, 21.40 is going to be a very important support zone for silver. Only and only if it trades about below 21.40, we can expect $21, which is the next strongest support, and below that it is going to act extremely bearish. If it breaks $21 any point of time, we can see extreme bearishness. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss for the day. Do not sell till the time it trades about 22.20 levels. At the same time, a good buying position is about 22.60. Beyond that, you can expect 22.80, $23, and then 23.20 plus levels can be seen. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.